Area Teresa Lot, and I do welcome for football in Pidgin. After match, talk how you see them. I beg if you know say you never subscribe to our YouTube channel, don't forget to press that subscribe button. Turn on the notification button. Manchester United 2 and Barcelona 1, and we get Oga GT. We be like saying now Ubunge person, Ubunge Man, you fan me. Tell us about how you see this game. Oga GT, how you see your team performance today?
Well, actually, not wait here they talk. Everybody watch am.
They see how they are.
They confirm am. When you see team they play, they confirm am. Not will not be beans. You confirm the game now.
No be lie.
Man, you dey hot. Man, you dey hot. So as I did, so anybody will jam. I know they fear pressure.
Go shop am.
We not dey fear pressure. Man, you na lion. Man lion. When I say they hungry. As we jam you, you go collect. Go two. Go pack and give you. Plop. Not be saying na beans.
So who could be your man of the match for this performance where you see today?
No, normally I not watch the match from the start actually.
You come meet am halfway.
I come meet her halfway because I did work before. So when I will tell my guys say this afternoon say they fear pressure. Now pressure will take grow. I predict this match 2-1 for the first leg. Baka call get low. He pay me well. But now today they go play this one. Even my guy, when they score that first goal, my guy they para say we don't lose. Back at those score. I say when you calm down, you dey fear pressure. I say just what before 15 minutes, the game don't enter 1-1. I would have tell the guy for 15 minutes. And the enter say Fred just knock and put 1-1. I see that the guy again, you dey fear pressure. You not waste time because they see knock and put. They come play my correct score today.
So how you see the way Man U play this season? Because if you look at 4 competitions when Manchester United dey into this season, they still dey follow up for that 4 competition. Or Sunday here they go play one final. How you see this Ogbonge doing so with the see for Man U this season? You think say Sunday will be Manchester United chance to win their first trophy? How you see that match with Newcastle? Most start for there before you go touch the way the club they play and they deliver for all the competition this season.
Now all laugh, I feel laugh. Newcastle just they jump. They go collect. See, they just they jump. Now man, they won't play man. All this one they play since people say man, you just they come over, you just they won't try pick from, they just they jump, they super. They will collect. Even back I won't win today. Back at now, like this now back and be our mates. You will pay me say FIFA, they go give us backer. Back and be our UEFA, they go back and be our mates again. They not join.
So to you now, with the way you tell they see your team they perform, how many trophies you feel predict say Man you go win this season?
See, what I would do after say, not be with the Europa, that Premier League, I want me to tell the world say, not be to top league from starting to January. Now to carry the league. See, the Premier League so if Man City and Arsenal lose guard, if they try and go lose guard, don't finish. Wait to go make man you go climb that table. Even with goals, don't finish. So maybe this one a message to Arsenal, message to Man City. Man are watching our back. We dey hungry. So once we feel come there, don't finish. But that Newcastle so leave them.
The
Europa one, the way they see the Europa say, I'm not sure man a match. Who go fit match us? I'm not sure. And moreover, I said we never will pick form. We never will pick form. We just dey start. We see they build our team. We never pick form. When we pick form, when you say they go play Man U, just wait till Nibu to say Nigeria youth won't kill them with say make it BP not shoot. You just say we they call play you, your BP go shoot. Because the pressure when they come, you know if you stand them. Your BP must shoot.
No be lie.
He must shoot. Now feast 100% shoot.
Clear.
Normally, bruh, you know these things. Don't be saying abobo juice.
My country people, now lawyer boy across where they lawyer like lawyer me. I say make I thank una as you take watch this our content. But make you don't forget to show us love. Press that subscribe button, like our content, and make you share it with your friends and family. And also the way you go take follow us for the different social media platforms, they for the description for inside this video.